functions, if it's the derivative of cos x, that would be now sin x but positive. Okay?
Okay.
The derivative of sin x is going to be negative now. The rule switches in the case of cos x and sin x. When it comes to the negative sign. And your tan x is secant square x plus c. Actually, wait, it's the opposite. 1 second. Secant square x. Let's do tan x plus c, and if anything is being multiplied to your angle, now it will be divided. Any question about it so far?
No.
C plus c and secant square x plus c is wait, it's the opposite. Just tan x plus b. Okay. Now let's say we have the integral of sine 2x dx. What's that going to be now?
It will be minus 1 over 2 cos x plus c.
Correct. But should it be 2 cos x plus c?
Yeah, 2 x.
Then let's say we have 4 secant square x by 2 dx.
It will be 8 tan x plus c. Sorry, x divided by 2. 8 tan x divided by 2 plus c.
Correct. Then, okay, what about this? 0 pi by 4, and we have 3 minus 2 sine 2x dx. Yeah. How will we integrate this?
3x minus, then this minus will become plus.
Okay.
Cos 2x dx. Yeah, done.
Yeah, but now since they've given us a limit, so we use this limit to find the value. So 3 times pi by 4 plus cos 2 pi by 4 minus 3 times 0 minus cos 2, 0. So what's our exact value to this?
1 minute. $3.356.
3.356. See?
Oh, no, 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 no. I
Exactly.
added one. It's supposed to be
Yeah.
subtract.
Yeah, it's 3/4 minus 1.
Yeah.
So, do you get the question though?
Yeah.
Let me see if there are any. Okay, so let's start with question number 1. Part A.
Yeah.